Hi, my name is Vanessa and I live in sunny Queensland, here by the Bayside, and we're at my place today. We've been here a couple of years now and it's a lovely area, but it is close by the Bayside and we get those beautiful bay breezes, which during the summer it's fantastic, but in winter it can get quite cold. I was trying to find a way to address the problem without it being too expensive. One of the things that came up was insulation. Somebody recommended Floorshield, and that's what we went with. My partner and I had a conversation about just DIYing it to help with cost, and I jumped online, and the Earthwool website has a really nifty tool that shows you how to calculate the amount of products that you need based on your floor space. And yeah, I just used that and it was delivered and it was quite easy to use. I had a friend come and help me with the installation. He's a bit taller than me, which was really helpful. The first thing that we did was just kind of bring the packs downstairs to the basement. Cut them open, we put them up, had them sit flush, make sure that there's no, pockets of air to prevent the draft coming through. We did use some strapping to hold it in place. And yeah, we just made a morning out of it. Had some smoothies and it was actually quite fun. So while I was doing some research online, one of the things that I kind of was trying to get my head around was thermal performance. There's a tool on the website that when you answer a few questions, it'll suggest a product for you. The product that we went with in terms of thermal performance meets our needs exactly. So we put the soft side up and that barrier facing down, and yeah, it just fit flush in the middle of between the joists. By placing the product in this way, it helps reduce the airflow and maximizes the performance of the product, keeping it cool in summer and warmer in winter. I would definitely recommend the product to other people. The way that the product is positioned in terms of sustainability, that's for me something that's quite important. So yeah, I would definitely recommend the product, and I would recommend anybody to just have a go and install it themselves.